Good morning, students. Welcome to Mulkura Education System. It's your English lecture, Class 2. The chapter is The Trap. Today I explain the chapter number 3, which is The Trap. In this chapter, a tiger was trapped in a cage and could not get out. He asked a kind boy to help him. The boy felt sorry for the tiger and opened the cage. However, once the tiger was free, he wanted to eat the boy. The boy reminded the tiger that he had helped him. But the tiger said that was the way of the world. They asked different things, a road, a tree, and a bullock to decide who was right. All of them complained that humans treated them badly, so they agreed with the tiger. Finally, a clever jackal came along. He pretended not to understand how the tiger has been trapped. The jackal quickly told the boy to shut the cage door. The tiger was trapped again and the boy was saved. So, a short summary of this chapter is a boy helped a trapped tiger by the opening its cage. The tiger wanted to eat the boy instead of thanking him. A clever jackal tricked the tiger into going back into the cage and saved the boy. The story teaches us that intelligence and quick thinking can solve difficult problems. Now we can do words meaning of the chapter. The first word is honest, good, immediately, at once, jackal, name of animal, matter, problem or issue, replied, answer, rubbish, useless, trap, a device to catch, scorching, burning. Now we will do answer this question of the chapter. Why was the road unhappy? The road was unhappy because people hurt the road by walking and riding on and throwing rubbish on it. Question number 2 is how did people hurt the tree? People hurt the tree by eating its fruits and cutting its branches. Question number 3 is who let the tiger out of the trap? The boy let the tiger out of the trap. Question number 4 is who put the tiger back in the trap? The clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Question number 5 is do you think that the bullock was very strong? Yes. The answer is yes, bullock was very strong.